Hi everybody! As you can see, I'm with our friend here, Mr. Frog. Say hello to everybody. Hi, hi. Now Mr. Frog is in my kitchen right now because Mr. Frog is hungry. Right, Mr. Frog? Yes, I'm so hungry. Now normally for lunch we would have something like a sandwich, maybe soup, but Mr. Frog for lunch today wants a bowl of cereal, right? Yes, I feel like a bowl of cereal. So in this video, I will show you how to make a bowl of cereal for you guys and for Mr. Frog. Now, the things you need to have a bowl of cereal are very simple. You need first a spoon like this, preferably a tablespoon. And you need a bowl to put your cereal in. Of course, you need a box of cereal. Now, Mr. Frog likes this cereal because it doesn't have too much sugar in it. And of course, you need milk, like this. So, let's begin making Mr. Frog his bowl of cereal. First, we open the box, put some cereal in the bowl. I think that's enough for you? Yeah. Now I'm going to pour some milk, like so. There we go. Now, Mr. Frog, you take your spoon and you can eat your delicious cereal. Now, are you happy? Oh yes, I love cereal. So that's how you make a bowl of cereal. To repeat for the vocabulary, we have here a spoon, a tablespoon, a bowl. Here's the box of cereal and milk. So that's it for this video. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.